Right?
Yes,
All right. Return on investments is an investment ratio that is used to calculate how profitable a business is. Right? You can use that to compare profitable investment choices. Now we all know, I've told you what's an investment, and then now we all know what's a profit. But now let's look at what is called return on investment. So each investor, when you invest your money, you expect to have something back in return, right? You expect to make a profit, and that percentage of the profit as compared to your investment is called return on investment. So if you want to invest in a business, let's say I have two choices: to invest in sticker business and to invest in Gary business, right? And the return on investment in sticker business is 100%. The return on investment in Gary business is 50%. Which one should I go for? Which business should I invest in? Why?
Because the stickers have more percentage.
That is the man. That is the investor. You understand? If I want to invest in sticker business and the return on investment is 100%, and let's say I want to invest in Gary business and the return on investment in Gary business is 50%, which one should I invest in as an investor? If it's you, which one will you invest in, Jura? Stickers, right? Why will you invest in stickers?
Because the stickers have more percentage.
Say it out loud.
Because the stickers have a higher percentage.
What you have to say is that the stickers have a higher return on investment. You understand? Because you make 100% gain here you make only 50%. It means that if you buy this one for 100, you sell it at 200 francs. You would have made 100 francs gain. But if you buy this one for 100 and sell it at 150, you make only 50. So why will you buy this one? You better do this business rather than this business. Have you understood? Yes. So you use return on investment to also analyze which business should you invest your money in. So before you invest anywhere, before you invest in any business, you have to ask a question: which one has a higher return on investment? You understand? And all you have to go for the one that has a higher return on investment. And in this, our example is a sticker business. But I'm not saying that we're going to stop investing in Gary. Have you understood? We have already started Gary business. So the royalty Gary, we're always going to sell royalty Gary. But if we want to compare the two and say which one will you choose, you better choose sticker. You understand?
Yes, Mentor.
Who are we?
We are future African billionaires.
What are we here for?
We are here to solve African major challenges and make Africa a great continent for all.
What are our core values?
Integrity, hard work, and creativity.
Good.